In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Odoo POS step by step using the demo6.odoo.com environment so you can follow along even if you're completely new to Odoo. Odoo Point of Sale is a powerful tool for retail stores, restaurants, and service businesses. And once you understand the basics, it becomes incredibly easy to manage sales, products, and configurations. If you're looking to get started with Odoo POS the right way in 2026, you're in the right place. And before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to demo6.odoo.com/Odoo. This is Odoo's official demo environment, which is perfect for learning without affecting a real business database. Once the page loads, you'll see the main Odoo dashboard with different apps available. From here, locate and click on the Point of Sale app. This will take you into the POS module, where all point of sale related settings and configurations are managed. After entering the Point of Sale app, look at the top menu and click on Configuration. The Configuration section is where you define how your POS will behave, including settings, payment methods, and different POS setups. Inside the Configuration menu, click on Point of Sales. This option shows you a list of all existing POS configurations in the system. If this is your first time, you may see a default configuration already created, or you might see an empty list depending on the demo state. To create a new point of sale, click on the New button. This opens the POS creation form where you can define a brand new POS configuration. Here, you can give your point of sale a name, such as Main Store POS or Restaurant Counter, depending on your business type. You can also assign it to a company if you're managing multiple companies in Odoo. As you scroll through the configuration options, you'll notice several important settings. You can choose whether this POS is for a shop or a restaurant, enable or disable barcode scanning, configure pricing options, and select which products will be available. Take your time exploring these options because they control how your POS behaves when you start selling. Once you're happy with the configuration, save your changes. After saving, your new POS will appear in the list of point of sales. From here, you can launch the POS session and start processing sales directly from the Odoo interface. This is where cashiers can add products, apply discounts, accept payments, and complete orders in real time. Odoo POS is designed to be fast, intuitive, and reliable, even with a large product catalog. That's the basic workflow for getting started with Odoo POS using the demo environment. You now know how to access the POS app, navigate the configuration menu, create a new point of sale, and prepare it for use. If this video helped you understand Odoo POS better, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.